nila. They talk about their first boyfriend or first girlfriend na sana pala yun na lang yung pinakasalan ko, hindi yung misis ko. So it's all about love and relationship. That's why kung tayo, ginagalingan natin kayo, ang gagaling nyo as media people because you've put in 10,000 hours sa ginagawa nyo. But how many hours are you putting in sa pag-ibig? Inaral nyo ba kung paano pakiligin o kaya intindihin kung paano painlabin yung partner mo? That is what we're trying to communicate. Aralin mo yung love and relationship para sumaya ka, para mabawasan yung depression. Dahil based on science, one of the main indicator kung malulungkot ka, desperado ka, or miserable ka sa buhay mo is yung quality ng love life at social relationship mo. So that's Love Connect, and I'm Dating Coach B, your love guru on air. That is my mission in life. Whether I get paid or not, whether I be on TV or not, this is what I'm gonna do for the rest of my life. Thank you.
Hello, ayan. So sa mga naghahanap dyan ng perfect match nila, alam niyo na po kung sino hahanapin? Si Coach V. Di ba? Very mataas ang success rate ng pagmamatch, no? So, ayan. Now, let's move forward to Doc Lulu Marquez.
Okay. Alright. So, hindi ko alam kung pinakaalala ko sa inyo na DZMM po, ang programa ko doon ay private nights. Isang oras lang po yun, 3 to 4 a.m. Pero ngayon, nung naibinig po ko, linggo pa rin, pero 4 na oras. Tuwing linggo, 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. Tulog kayo? Anyways, okay. We have podcasts and you can watch that. Alam niyo po, yung sex na yan, sabi nga nila, why do you talk about sex? Right? Everybody knows about sex. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, kailangan mo ng participation ninyo, ha? Okay. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Pero sa Pilipinas, sex is supposed to be taboo. Oh, taboo. Okay. Ngayon, ayaw kong maniwala sa ganun eh. Dati yun ang feeling ko, I don't even talk about sex. Kasi, much di ba? Okay? Pero, habang tumatagal, nakikita ko yung problema hanggang ako ay bisa na tumanda. Okay? And I have so many batchmates na nagkakaproblema na sa kanilang sex, and then we talk about it. Now, paano ko pinursue yun? Paano ko mapalang mukha ko? Even as a doctor, I can talk about it, but there are doctors who don't even talk about it. Diba? Hindi naman lahat ng doktor ganito magsalita. Maghanap kayo, wala. Minsan 2 sila, 3 lang kami. Pero mahirap po yun. Actually, ako po ay nag-aral pa, hindi po ng pagka-doktor, kung paano po maging coach, maging mentor, maging speaker about sex. So, if you don't know, if you know John Maxwell, okay, meron siyang tinatawag na pag-aaral, hindi po pumunta sa States, meron po online learning kay John Maxwell, okay, meron po modules and all. Pag natapos mo yung modules na yun, then you go to Florida and meet him and get the certificate. And then, kwento ko lang, nung nandun ako, nakausap ko mismo si John Maxwell, and then he asked me, what's your topic? You know, kasi doon daw, pag naging estudyante ka, meron ka particular topic. Sabi ko sa kanya, John, problem in the Philippines, sex is taboo. Yeah? Sabi niya, ganun, what? Sabi niya, ganun talaga sa Philippines, it's really like that. That's it. So that's my point. Then, mas lumakas ang loob ko. Pagbalik sa Pilipinas, malakas na talaga ang loob ko. Now, yung sex na yan is not just sex, Remember that. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, ay nakakaya si Doktora, talk about sex, bastos. Stop it. Baka kayo yung bastos, hindi po ako yun. Remember, ang mga kababaihan po, ang mas maraming may problema. Hindi lalaki. Kayong mga lalaki, ang mga testosterone level mo, kuya, mataas. Masyado kayong ma-airy. Testosterone is the hormone of libido and passion. Tama? Sumagot kayo, tama? Correct. Ang testosterone natin mga babae, mas konti. At the age of 35, hello? At the age of 35, that will start going down there. Ha? Kaya yung libido natin mga babae, unti-unting bumababa. Not unless, if you are sexually active, at yung pamilya ninyo talks about sex education, kahit na ikaw ay menopause natin, you still talk about sex and you will be sexually active. Okay, remember that. Remember, itong orgasm na to, yan ang problema eh. Kayong mga lalaki, wala kayong problema niyan eh. Minsan, meron kayong premature ejaculation, tama? Ba't hindi kayo tumatango? Yes,
Ayaw ko sa
Mga babae,
Yes. So, the guys, you have problem, pero ang mga babae, ang mas may problema. It's called the silent, secret epidemic of women's sexual dissatisfaction. And that's anorgasmia. They don't have orgasm. Remember, there are two kinds of orgasm, true and the fake. Kuya, ano yung fake orgasm?
Puro halimbing lang.
Tama! Oo, parang pusa, maingay, pusa, nasa bubong. Sabi niya, ganun lang. At saka paganda ng paganda. Remember, ang true orgasm is parang parang tinatawag dito, meron kang pre-epileptic seizure. Tango ka, alam mo yun? Okay? So anyway, true orgasm is rhythmic contraction of the pelvic floor muscles. So yung balakang ay nanginginig, yung thigh muscles ay nagko-contract, yung leg muscles ay nagko-contract, yung toes mo, nagko-curl. And what else? Your face is pangit kate, hindi ka maganda, okay? It's called facial grimace. Facial grimace. But after that facial grimace, you will smile, you will bloom. And then when you wake up in the morning, masarap ang breakfast ni Kuya. Kasi nag-orgasm ka na totoo, okay? Remember, kayo talaga, naka-smile kayo, alam kong na-experience. May I ask kung sino dito ang married? Raise your hands, please. Married. Ayaw umami. Kuya, ikaw lang? Oo. Anyway. Okay, may notes ako dito, very important, di ba? Learn about cliteracy. Ito na lang. Learn about cliteracy. You know cliteracy, Kuya? Ikaw nasa harap kaya kawawa ka sa akin. Cliteracy. It's about knowing the full anatomy of the clitoris. Okay? Are you cliterate? Tumahimik na naman kayo. Di ba may word na literate, right? Are you literate? Of course you are. Lagi kayo, may nag-aralan, di ba? Sa literate kayo. Pero are you cliterate? Wala sumasagot, star. Okay? Cliteracy is this, nahihiya. Okay.
May tumatawa dun sa likod.
May tumatawa.
Literate yan.
Yeah, so, mahilig kayo mag-google. I-google na yung cliteracy na yan. Okay. Cliteracy, so we need to be cliterate. It's very important. Alam niyo, kung may penile erection, meron din kaming clitoral erection. O ano? Ano ka? Kala nyo kayo lang nag-erect dyan? No. We have to be erect too, girls. Hello. You have to be erect too for you to be able to reach your true orgasm. If not, fake yan, paganda ka na ng paganda. Kailangan pumangit ka na. Okay? So remember that one. It's very important. Now again, itong sex na talaga, no? Visit ito, no? Para bang, ba't ba pinag-usapan yan? Kailangan po yan ng private talks sa DWPM, Radyo 630, para po magising ang mga tao, bata man o matanda, maging aware na there's a problem. This is a medical issue na may solusyon. Right? So if you listen, I hope you listen. Kaya lang, mapupuyat kayo. Sorry po. Kasi 12 to 4 a.m. yan eh. Pero ngayon, it's gaining listeners and texters already. They ask, they call about their problems. Nakakatuwa talaga, pati ako nagulat kasi 3 months pa lang kami nag-start ng private talks. Okay, one last. Very important ito mga tita doc nyo, ha? Okay, sex has nothing to do with race. Sex has nothing to do with religion. Kahit na anong religion mo, kahit na anong race mo, kuya, Negro ka, Inchik ka, Lebanese ka, pare-pareho lang po ang anatomy niyan. Iba lang po siguro yung size. Ano? Ba't natahimik kayo? Negro ka, Pilipino, baka iba yung size mo, kuya. Okay. So, but the anatomy is the same. Yung function niyan, the same. Okay? So again, last. Alam niyo po, for sexual wellness, kailangan po natin na STAR. Importante ito. Everybody should need for sexual wellness, ha? Everybody should have sex, Can you all say that? Sex, Can you say that orgasmically? Oh, grabe. Si Kuya talaga, Ang participation mo ngayon, grabe. You're in red. Okay, sex, May ibig sabihin po yun for sexual wellness. S, you sleep the right amount or right time. 6 to 7 hours. Yung eat healthily. Okay? Iwasan natin yung maalat, mamantika, matataba. Di ba? Walang soft drinks. Walang unlimited rice. Kaya kaso, pasaway tayo lahat, di ba? Okay? So, ano yung X, kuya? Exercise. Tama, so sex na yun. Ano yung A? Panglaban sa free radicals. Alam niyo na yun, ha? Antioxidants in the form of food supplements, pwede po yan. Yung H is H2O, hydrate. So again, for sexual wellness, kailangan nila na, natin lahat na, ay, ang bagay, parang dalawa lang salita dito. Okay, kailan kayo ulit nag-make love? Nag-sex? Wala, o sige, pero sa loob-loob ninyo, kanina lang, te.
1 hour before.
1 hour before? Okay, yung lalaki nag-orgasm, yung babae hindi. Okay, now, remember this one. Another code. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Can you all say that?
Ha, he, hi, ho, hu.
Ang tanong, ano ibig sabihin ng ha? Ha? Happy. Okay, para humabang buhay natin at may sexual wellness, happy. Ano yung he? Healthy. Ano yung hi? Hip. Huwag losyante. No, mag-ayos-ayusin yung mga sulit. But hip. Your hip. Kuya, hip ka ba, kuya? Hip na hip. Hip. Okay, hip. Okay. Yung ho, H-O. You should be ho. Uy. Ano? Holistic yun. Sex nga topic eh. Holy. Hindi ba yun? It should be holy. Okay. Happy, healthy, hip, hot. Hot or horny? Pwede. Yes. Yung H-U-I, full of humor. Very good. Yes. So, okay, so you all got it?